top robot vacuum picks of 2024. In the world of smart home devices, robot vacuums have become one of the most popular purchases. These convenient cleaning machines offer an easy way to keep your home tidy without the hassle of manual vacuuming. With so many options available, it can be difficult to decide which robot vacuum is right for you. Today, we'll be comparing three of the top models on the market: the iRobot Roomba 694, the Ecovacs Dbot N8 Plus, and the Roborock S7. Each of these robot vacuums has earned its place among the best sellers for different reasons, including their performance, features, and price. By examining each vacuum's key attributes, pros, and cons, you'll be able to determine which one is the best fit for your cleaning needs. The iRobot Roomba 694 is an entry-level robot vacuum that offers solid performance at an affordable price. iRobot, one of the most trusted names in the robot vacuum industry, has packed a lot of value into this budget-friendly option. This model provides the basic essentials most users want in a robot vacuum: cleaning power, ease of use, and Wi-Fi connectivity. The Roomba 694 connects to the iRobot Home app, allowing you to schedule cleaning sessions, start and stop cleaning, and check the vacuum status from your smartphone. It also supports voice commands via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The vacuum uses a three-stage cleaning system, which combines dual multi-surface brushes, a powerful suction system, and a high-efficiency filter to clean carpets, hard floors, and pet hair. While its navigation system, iAdapt Navigation, isn't as advanced as some higher-end models, it still helps the Roomba 694 clean in a methodical pattern and avoid obstacles like furniture. The Roomba 694 is affordable, making it a great choice for people who want a reliable robot vacuum without spending too much. It's easy to set up and operate, making it a good option for first-time robot vacuum buyers. The app control and voice assistant integration add an extra level of convenience, allowing you to manage cleaning sessions remotely. However, the Roomba 694 doesn't feature advanced navigation or room mapping like some pricier models. It also lacks the self-emptying dustbin that many higher-end vacuums offer. This means you'll need to empty the dustbin manually after each cleaning session. The dustbin is also smaller than some other models, so it may require frequent emptying, especially in homes with pets or high-traffic areas. The Roomba 694 is ideal for people on a budget who want a no-frills, reliable robot vacuum for basic cleaning tasks in homes with a moderate level of mess. The Ecovacs Dbot N8 Plus takes things up a notch with features like vacuuming and mopping capabilities and an auto-emptying station. For those who want a more advanced robot vacuum with modern features but at a reasonable price, the N8 Plus is a fantastic choice. It's part of Ecovac's premium line, offering an impressive balance of technology, cleaning power, and convenience. The Dbot N8 Plus offers both vacuuming and mopping functions, making it versatile for cleaning a variety of surfaces. It's equipped with a large water tank for mopping and a powerful vacuum motor that works well on carpets and hard floors. The N8 Plus uses LiDAR navigation, which employs laser mapping to create an efficient cleaning path, detect obstacles, and avoid falling down stairs. It also supports multi-floor mapping, which is ideal for homes with different levels. One of the standout features of the N8 Plus is its auto-empty station, which automatically empties the dustbin after each cleaning session. This is a huge time saver and means less manual maintenance for the user. The Dbot N8 Plus is also app-controlled via the Ecovacs Home app and is compatible with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for convenient voice control. The N8 Plus offers excellent value, especially for those who want a robot vacuum with multiple functions. The vacuum and mop combination ensures that floors are thoroughly cleaned, and the auto-empty station makes maintenance easier. The LiDAR navigation system ensures that the vacuum can clean efficiently and avoid obstacles, even in larger spaces. However, the N8 Plus is more expensive than simpler models like the Roomba 694. While it offers great features, the higher price may be a concern for those looking for a basic vacuuming solution. It is also slightly bulkier than other models, which might make it harder to store or navigate in tight spaces. While the mopping function is convenient, it's not as effective as a traditional mop for heavy-duty or sticky messes. The Dbot N8 Plus is ideal for homeowners who want an advanced robot vacuum with both vacuuming and mopping features and the added convenience of a self-emptying dustbin. The Roborock S7 is a feature-packed robot vacuum that combines strong suction power, advanced navigation, and an innovative sonic mopping system. Known for its performance on both carpets and hard floors, the S7 is a premium option that excels in providing a comprehensive cleaning solution for a variety of surfaces. One of the standout features of the Roborock S7 is its sonic mopping system, which vibrates at 3,000 times per minute to scrub floors and break down dirt and stains. This mopping feature, combined with a powerful 2,500 PSI suction system, makes the S7 one of the most effective robot vacuums on the market for picking up pet hair, dust, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. The S7 uses LiDAR navigation for precise and efficient mapping. It can avoid obstacles, create detailed floor plans, and clean specific rooms or zones as you direct it via the Roborock app. The S7 also supports multi-level mapping, making it an excellent choice for multi-floor homes. The S7 offers a range of smart features, including app control, voice assistant integration, and customizable cleaning zones. The ability to store multiple maps allows users to easily manage cleaning sessions across different floors. The vacuum is capable of automatically adjusting its suction power depending on the type of surface it's cleaning, ensuring that carpets get extra suction while hardwood floors are cleaned with a gentler touch. However, the Roborock S7 is one of the more expensive models available, which might not be necessary for users who only need basic vacuuming. While the mopping function is innovative, it's still not as effective as a traditional mop, especially for very dirty or sticky floors. Additionally, although the S7's dustbin is larger than the Roomba 694's, it still requires regular emptying in homes with a lot of pet hair or dirt. The Roborock S7 is perfect for those who want a high-performance robot vacuum with a focus on both powerful suction and advanced mopping technology. It's ideal for homes with multiple levels, pet owners, or people who want top-tier features in a robot vacuum. In summary, each of these robot vacuums, iRobot Roomba 694, Ecovacs Dbot N8 Plus, and Roborock S7, offers unique features suited to different needs. The iRobot Roomba 694 is perfect for those who want an affordable, reliable, and simple robot vacuum for basic cleaning tasks. It's a great choice for budget-conscious consumers who don't need advanced features like mapping or self-emptying. The Ecovacs Dbot N8 Plus is ideal for those looking for a combination of vacuuming and mopping with advanced navigation and the convenience of self-emptying. It offers excellent value for those who want more versatility in their cleaning routine. The Roborock S7 is the go-to option for those who want the best of both worlds, strong suction and innovative mopping features, along with premium smart features like multi-floor mapping and customizable cleaning zones. If you're looking for the highest quality robot vacuum and are willing to invest in top-tier features, the Roborock S7 is your best bet. Choosing the right one depends on your budget, home layout, and cleaning preferences. If you want simplicity and reliability, go for the Roomba 694. If you need both mopping and vacuuming, the Dbot N8 Plus is an excellent choice. But if you're looking for top-tier suction and mopping technology, the Roborock S7 is your best option.